What's going on, everybody? Nick here. As you could tell, I'm in a Chevy, but I'm not in my Corvette. I am wearing my C5 shirt, found it at AutoZone, so gotta rep the C5 Nation there. But there's a reason why I'm not in my Corvette, and that's because at the moment, it's doing fine right now. It's in LA. I'm currently in San Diego. I wanted to film like in front of the water because I'm here like by the ocean. I wanted to film there, but it's a little windy right now and too many people out. So I'm just filming off my iPhone, like my usual videos besides my GoPro. I don't really have any special cameras, but that's not what I want to talk about today. What I want to talk about is an update on the Corvette. And the past 2 weeks, I haven't posted jack on pretty much anything, social media, YouTube, whatever. And there's a reason to that. I'll put it this way. The Corvette was broken. So I literally bought the car from the dealer. 10 days later, I'm working down here in San Diego. I drove the Corvette up and down from LA to San Diego like maybe 2 times within that like a week and a half that I owned it. So I stayed out here for my five-day work week, and then my day off that morning, I decided to drive home, to go see my family and stuff like that. And I was like 50 miles out of San Diego, and I pretty much lost my I pretty much lost 3rd gear and 4th gear, and pretty much I was just cruising on the freeway, and then I was about to pass a car, just pass them in the fast lane, and I didn't even fucking floor it. I just barely even, lightly accelerated, and all of a sudden my RPM just shoot up like crazy, and I'm like, what the hell? And then I dropped the gear to 3rd gear and nothing. And then sooner or later I get the transmission overheating warning, and that's when I pulled over, called AAA, towed it to a shop, and yeah, pretty much got on the phone with the dealer like, hey, this car that I bought from you 10 days ago, yeah, just took a shit on me. And that guy couldn't believe it. He's like, oh, that car was cherry, it was fine, when I had it. But I mean, he's not wrong. The car was fine. The Carfax, on that car, 0 damage whatsoever. Like, it was barely driven. And that's what I think what the problem was, is the car sat for so long. Nobody like really drove the car. Nobody really drove the car. It has really low mileage for the year. It was probably driven, like 4,000 to 5,000 miles a year since 98 or 97. I guess that would be the 98 year. But yeah, so that's what I think would happen. And then probably needed a transmission fucking oil change and all that, transmission fluid change, whatever, and all that. But 2 weeks later, dealership towed it from San Diego all the way back to LA, and had a shop rebuild the tranny. So now the Vet has a rebuilt transmission with a 1-year warranty on it, so I'm kind of happy on that. And yeah, it has new transmission fluid and a rebuilt trans, and pretty much has fresh fluids besides coolant, which that's what I'm gonna do on Wednesday, or actually Thursday, because Wednesday I'm gonna go back home. So Thursday I already got my Dex Cool back there, some distilled water, 160-degree thermostat, and eventually I'll get it tuned for that. But I just already went ahead and bought the thermostat for that. And then I also bought a transmission cooler, which I'll be installing as well. It's just a Hayden 679, I believe that's the part number, or 697. I'll put it in the description below which one I bought, and then I'm gonna be installing that as well, so that way transmission doesn't have any overheating issues or whatnot, as well as the engine. So yeah, the Corvette's fine now. It drives beautifully, and they did a good job. It still handles the same. Nothing feels out of the ordinary on it. So that's a quick update from me. Corvette's fine, and videos will resume hopefully this week, but it's just a quick update. And yeah, just bad freaking luck on my end, just really bad luck. The car's mint, the car's beautiful, just bad fucking luck it took a shit on me. and normally LS cars don't do that, so it was kind of odd. But yeah, so that's that, and hope you guys have a good day. That's it for me. Be on the lookout for a new video later this week, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.